Good morning students. I Dr. Rani Jindal working as assistant professor in Government PG College for Women Sector 14 Panchkula. Today we continue second lecture of ionic solid BSc first semester in organic chemistry, fourth chapter. Topic of today's discussion is ionic structures. Ionic structures. In the formation of crystals, the constituent particles, atoms, ions or molecules get closely packed together. The closely packed arrangement is that in which maximum available space is occupied. Closer the packing, greater is the stability of the crystals. All crystalline substances have definite orderly arrangement of their constituent particles in three dimensions. The regular arrangement of constituent particles of a crystalline solid in three-dimensional space is called space lattice. The unit cell, the smallest repeating unit in space lattice, which when repeated over and over produce the complete lattice, is called unit cell. The smallest repeating pattern represents the shape of the entire crystal. There are two types of arrangement for ionic solid. One is cubic close packing and another is hexagonal close packing. So these are two, cubic close packing and hexagonal close packing arrangement. Cubic close packing arrangement are also known as face-centered cubic arrangement. The cubic close packing arrangement or face-centered cubic arrangement can be obtained by placing atoms at all the corners of the cube and at the center of each face. There are 6 faces and this arrangement is called ABC and there are 4 atoms per unit cell in this arrangement. Next is the hexagonal close packing arrangement and this arrangement is obtained by placing atoms at all the corners of a hexagonal faces and at their center. One layer is made in between these two identical layers and this arrangement is also called ABA arrangement. Next is the hexagonal close packing arrangement, cubic close packing arrangement or face-centered cubic arrangement. In this arrangement, the cations occupy the interstitial sites and there are two types of sites. One is octahedral site and another is tetrahedral site. And there are 2 tetrahedral sites for each atom and 1 octahedral site for each atom. Location of interstitial sites in a close packed arrangement. The octahedral sites in a close packed arrangement are between the two anions. Obviously, these at the center of every edge and in the body center. The cubic close packing arrangement, there are 8 small cubes and has 4 anions at the alternate corner. The center of the small cube become the tetrahedral site and there are 8 small cube and therefore there are 8 tetrahedral site. Only one tetrahedral site is filled. This is the location of interstitial site in close packed arrangement. Octahedral site, first one is the octahedral site and another is the tetrahedral site. Next is the hexagonal close packed arrangement. In hexagonal close packed arrangement, the octahedral and tetrahedral sites, the second layer in hexagonal close packed arrangement is made by placing atoms on the alternative triangles and in the face For example, B layer is formed by placing atoms above the triangle marked crosses. The octahedral sides correspond to other triangles. The tetrahedral sides are shown above and below each atom. This is the hexagonal close packed arrangements. First one, there are octahedral sides in hexagonal close packed arrangement, and this B, there is a tetrahedral sides in hexagonal close packed arrangements. Then is the ionic structures of AB and AB2. In the structure of AB type, the two types of ions A positive and B negative have the same coordination number, that is number of nearest neighbors. However, in the compounds of AB2 or A2B types, the two kinds of ions A positive and B negative have different coordination number, which are in the ratio of 2:1 or 1:1 respectively. Then structure of AB type ionic solid. AB type structures are found in sodium chloride, that is rock salt structure, zinc blende structure, and cesium chloride structure. First one is the structure of sodium chloride. In this structure, sodium ions are represented by solid circles and chloride ions are by hollow circles. The silent features of these structures are as follow. The chloride ions are arranged in a cubic close packing type arrangement, and in this arrangement the chloride ions are present at the corners of the cube and center of each face, and the sodium ions occupy all the octahedral site. The third point, there is only one octahedral site per atom in a closed packed lattice. Therefore, there will be one sodium ions for every chloride ion. This means that the ratio of sodium ions and chloride ions in this structure is 1:1. In other words, stoichiometry is 1:1 in sodium chloride. We can understand the stoichiometry by counting the number of sodium ions and chloride ions which contribute to the unit cell. This is the structure of sodium chloride. Chloride ions are shown as a hollow circles and sodium ions are shown by solid circles. Chloride ions are arranged in a cubic close packing arrangement, and sodium ions occupy all the octahedral sites. So this is the structure of sodium chloride. Then calculation of chloride ion in the unit cell. As we know, the chloride ions are present at the 8 corners and 6 at the faces of the unit cell. Ions at the corners is shared between 8 unit cell and its contribution per unit cell is 1/8. Similarly, each ion at the face is shared by 2 unit cell, so that its contribution per unit cell is 1/2. 8 chloride ion at the corners is equal to 1 chloride ion per unit cell, and 6 chloride ion at the faces is equal to 3 chloride ions per unit cell. So total number of chloride ions in the unit cell is equal to 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. Next is the calculation of sodium ion in the unit cell. There are 12 sodium ions on the edges, one inside the cell, and its contribution per unit cell is 1/4, while the ion at the body center contribute only to 1 unit cell. So 12 ions at the edges contribution is equal to 3 sodium ions per unit cell, and 1 sodium ion inside the cell is equal to 1 sodium ion per unit cell. So total number of sodium ions in the unit cell is equal to 3 plus 1, that is equal to 4. The stoichiometry of the sodium chloride is 4:4 or 1:1. Fourth, in this structure, each ion is surrounded by 6 chloride ions which are disposed toward the corners of a regular tetrahedron. Each chloride ion is surrounded by 6 sodium ions. Thus, the coordination number of sodium ions as well as chloride ion is 6. This type of structure is adopted by most of the alkali metal halides: ammonium chloride, ammonium bromide, ammonium iodide, silver fluoride, silver chloride, silver bromide, etc. Structure of zinc sulfide. Two types of zinc sulfide structure are known. First one is zinc blende structure, other is wood-dried structure. First one is the zinc blende structure. The unit cell of zinc blende structure. In this structure, zinc ions are represented by solid circles and the sulfide ions are represented by hollow circles. The silent features of these structures are as follow. Number 1, the sulfide ions are in cubic close packing arrangement, and in this arrangement the sulfide ions are present at the corners of the cube and the center of each face. Second point, the zinc ions occupy half of the tetrahedral site. Third, there are 2 tetrahedral sites per atoms in a closed packed lattice. This means that there are 2 tetrahedral sites available for every sulfide ion. In this arrangement, only half of the tetrahedral sites are occupied by zinc 2 positive ion. Therefore, there is one zinc 2 positive ion for every sulfide ion. So, the stoichiometry of the compound is 1:1. Fourth point, in this structure, each zinc ion is surrounded by 4 sulfide ions which are disposed towards the corners of a regular tetrahedron. Similarly, each sulfide ion is surrounded by 4 zinc 2 positive ion. Zinc 2 positive ion and 1 sulfide ion is shown in the next slide. Thus, the cations and anions are present in equivalent positions, and the coordination number in zinc blende is described as 4:4. This structure is adopted by compounds such as zinc oxide, copper chloride, copper bromide, copper iodide, beryllium sulfide, etc. This is the structure of zinc sulfide. Zinc 2 positive ions are tetrahedrally surrounded by 4 sulfide ions, and sulfide ions are tetrahedrally surrounded by zinc 2 positive ions. And the sulfide ions are shown by hollow circles, and zinc 2 positive ions are shown by solid circles, and sulfide ions adopt cubic close packing arrangement, and zinc 2 positive ions occupy half of the tetrahedral sites. This next is the structure of cesium chloride. Structure of cesium chloride. In the structure of cesium chloride, cesium ions are represented by solid circles, whereas chloride ions are represented by hollow circles. The silent features of the cesium chloride structures are as follow. Number 1, the chloride ions are arranged in a simple cubic arrangement, and in this arrangement the chloride ions are present at all the corners of the cube. Second point, the cesium ion occupy the cubic side, that is, the cesium ions are present at the body centers of the cube. Each ion at the corner is shared between 8 unit cells, and its contribution per unit cell is 1/8. Therefore, 8 chloride ions at the corner is equal to 1 chloride ion per unit cell. There is also 1 cesium ion in the body center, and its contribution per unit cell is 1. Thus, the cesium ion, there is 1 chloride ion, so the stoichiometry is 1:1. This is the structure of cesium chloride. Chloride ions are shown as a hollow circles and adopt simple cubic arrangement, and cesium ions are shown by solid circles and occupy cubic sites. Next is the structure. Fourth point, in this structure each ion is surrounded by 8 chloride ions which are disposed towards the corners of a cube, and each chloride ion is surrounded by 8 cesium ions. Thus, both types of ions are in equivalent positions. Therefore, the coordination number of cesium ion and chloride ions are 8:8. Cesium chloride type structure is adopted by cesium bromide, cesium iodide, etc. Next is the structure of AB2 type ionic solid. The unit of calcium fluoride, calcium ions are represented by solid circles and fluoride ions are represented by hollow circles. Number 1. The calcium ions are arranged in a cubic close packing arrangement, and in this arrangement calcium ions are present at the corners and at the center of each face of the cube. Fluoride ions occupy all the tetrahedral sides. Third point, there are 2 tetrahedral sides per atom in a closed packed lattice. This means that there are 2 tetrahedral sides for every calcium ions. Since fluoride ions occupy all the tetrahedral sides, there will be 2 fluoride ions for each calcium ions. Thus, the stoichiometry of the compound is 1:2. Fourth point है, in this structure each fluoride ion is surrounded by 4 calcium ions which are disposed toward the regular tetrahedron. On the other hand, each calcium ion is surrounded by 8 fluoride ions which are disposed toward the corners of the cube. Thus, the coordination number of calcium ions and fluoride ions are 8:4. Thus, the structure is adopted by large number of fluorides such as CuF2, BaF2, SrF2, PbF2, HgF2, etc. Next is this is the structure of calcium fluoride. Fluoride ion, in this structure fluoride ions are surrounded by 4 calcium ions and calcium ions are surrounded by 8 fluoride ions. Calcium ions are shown as a solid circles and fluoride ions are shown as a hollow circles. Calcium ions adopt cubic close packing arrangement and fluoride ions occupy all the tetrahedral sides. Next is the questions for you. First question is, a solid is made up of 2 elements X and Y crystallize in a cubic structure while atoms X and occupy all the tetrahedral side. What is the formula of the compound? Second question, a compound formed by elements X and Y crystallize in a cubic structure where Y atoms at the corners of the cube and X atoms at the alternate faces. What is the formula of the compound? These are the questions. Next, thanks.